Hey guys, welcome to a Munch of the internet. This guy went into the water but couldn't keep his balance for long. Here we see a man who had some difficulty with his exercise machine.
Oh God! Oh God!
I'm sure this dog would love some of that ice cream.
Every time you lick it, she licks. Oh, Harper, does that look good?
This dog has some amazing strength.
Are you excited?
Oh. Good job. All right, come on, inside.
This nice man helps out a kid with this hammer game.
Roundabout thing like that. Go straight up, straight down.
This man is blowing some wind in her hair with some paper. Thank you for watching guys, I appreciate it very much and I'll catch you in the next video.